Let's begin by requiring the Express module, which is a web application framework for Node.js, and the i18n module, which is a library to provide localization support for our application. Here we are configuring i18n, specifying our supported languages, or locales, which include English, Spanish, and French. We define where to find the translation files in the directory option. The default locale is set to English. We also configure i18n to detect language preferences from a lang query parameter or from a locale cookie. We now initialize the Express application. To work with cookies, we require the cookie parser middleware and include it in our application pipeline using app use. We add the i18n middleware to our application. This will attach the i18n API to the request object in our routes. Here's a custom middleware that determines the user's language. It checks if there is a lang query parameter, a locale cookie, the languages accepted by the user's browser, and if none of those are present, it falls back to the default locale. Once the language is determined, it sets the locale for the current request. In this route, we are responding with a localized greeting. The __ function is provided by i18n and will automatically translate the string hello based on the current set locale of the request. Finally, we make our server listen on port 3000 and log a message to the console once it's running. This confirms our application is set up and ready to serve localized content.